morning, my boys. We got a fun one cooking up for you today, I'll tell you what. So right now we're en route currently to we're stopped right now. We are en route to go meet up with Sergio and Daniel this morning. They are doing some work on his 2022 BRZ, installing some coilovers and some new wheels. So I wanted to go, peep the scene, see what's going on with those guys, and then after that, that's where we get into the fun stuff. After that, we are actually going over to Gas Gears and Beers. It's a European car meetup, the Euro meet, the Euro boys, Volkswagen, Audi, BMW. So I'm gonna be going over there, linking up with a couple other friends. Should have a really fun ass video for you guys to watch today. I'm excited to give you some performance clips on this thing. Might get a little shisty with it this morning, but we'll wait and see. All right, guys, so we made it out here. We're with Daniel and Serge now. We got a Serge BRZ over here, and then we got Daniel's BRZ up on the stands. They're getting to work on these coilovers and wheels. I'll show y'all in a second here. He's got the nice dark blue rays, dude. These shits are fucking sweet right here. God, and those control arms. I think you might be able to see them from the back. Those shits are gonna go good with the blue wheels. Got good old Surge under the car here. Look at that exhaust, man.
Can you give me a 17?
Beautiful. Daniel, I like that fucking shirt, dude. You guys got both the, what the fuck are those? Is toe arms or end links?
Those are toe arms.
You got the fucking Raptor, the Atlas out here. And then those two shit boxes over here. The Atlas, bro. The Atlas be getting it done, on God. All right, boys. I'm fucking out of here. Here we go to the meet. Serge.
See where?
Y'all send me pictures when y'all get this shit done. I want to see what it looks like. All right, boys. Well, y'all have a good one. Good luck. Alrighty, boys. Now, for the real fucking fun stuff, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna head on over to I don't even know where we're heading on. I don't even know where we're heading on over to, but it's somewhere in Atlanta. We're gonna head that way right now. We're gonna go link up with Ant. We're gonna link up with Donnell. This shit just woo, boy. And I got to be the shameless plug this morning. Go check out No Speed Limit. It is one No Speed Limit on Instagram and all other platforms. I'm going to put it up here or over there somewhere in the video for you to see. If you guys like the shirts that you see in the video, if you guys like the keychains, if you guys like anything with no speed limit on it, you like living your life fast, go check us out. All right. Finally made it out here. Got a couple of cars out. We're a little bit early. Show y'all around here in a minute. Get acclimated with what the fuck's going on. Got Donnell's BMW out here. We got the R. Mark 8 GTI over there. Haven't seen many Volkswagens, just a lot of Audis and BMWs so far. A couple of Mercedes too. All right, so we're outside of Gas Gears and Beers right now. We're watching some cars pull in. There's some pretty sweet stuff pulling up, man. Man, let's take a look at these cars, man. Let me shut the fuck up here and show you guys what we're dealing with today, because there's some cool damn stuff out here.
got a GTI. I really did want to pull my car around and park next to this guy right here. The carbon fiber hood's going crazy. Then we got a sneaky little Mk8 GTI. The Mark 8s, a lot of people have been shitting on them from what I've seen. But look, I would take this one over mine. Let me take that back. I would take the Mk8 Golf R over mine, but the GTI can't do the front wheel drive, man. These guys down here looking crispy clean. Yeah, the Mark 8 GTIs, bro, they brought an ass to the fucking car that it very much needed. Like mine does not have an ass. Mine is just flat, and I have to beef it up back there to make it look like anything. I had to take another look real quick. These shits, oh! That's funny. If you guys remember from the start of the video, our boy Daniel, he's putting those on his BRZ. Like, look at this thing, man. This thing is fucking nutty. Well, it was fun while it lasted. I'm about to take my ass in the car. Don't know.
I don't got no AC, so I'm gonna just
Wish I caught it when it was overhead, but bro, the Goodyear blimps out here. Look at that shit. I mean, that guy's cruising, bro.
Alrighty, boys. We're back in the Golf R. It is hot as fuck today, son. It is super hot. Well, we've been out here a couple hours. We've been withstanding the heat for a while. I do have one more thing for you guys before I say sayonara, and that's just a couple of performance clips for you, you know? If you stayed with me to the end of the video, you deserve it. So we're doing a lot of cool shit around here. And if you guys want to see videos on mountain runs and ride outs and meetups, let me know in the comments, man. We do that all the time, and I just really haven't recorded it. Thanks you guys for being here to the end of the video. Here's some performance clips for you. All right, I think we're in a good spot now. We're gonna go ahead and go down here, click that guy, go right here, click that guy. Put it in the fun drive mode, right? Holy shit, man. Like, how does anyone shit on this car, bro? Oh my god, bro.
It is hot as hell in this funky ass, hot ass room I'm in. Is that the Grim Reaper?
Shit, this temperature is getting too much, man. It is 97 degrees. We've been running the car for like 10 minutes now. It is hot as hell, bro. That's why the intercooler needs to come in this car. I think that's the highest temperature I've ever seen on the dash down there. Yeah, man, that pretty much wraps it up for today. I just wanted to drop a nice short video, show you guys some cool stuff today. I hope you guys got any kind of entertainment out of seeing those cars out there. If you enjoyed this video in the slightest way, shape, form, or if you're here already and you made it to the end of the video, hit that subscribe button for your boy. I'd really appreciate it, man. I'm gonna keep this thing pushing on the YouTube content. I make content across all platforms, but this is my first time doing YouTube, so I definitely want to get the ball rolling. You guys definitely do that for me. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna stop and get me some food and make it back to the house. So have a great day. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, we out of here. We about to get some Subway.
Now freshly slicing.